So for our warm-up today, we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So for letter A here, we're going to go ahead and distribute that 2. So 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is positive 8. And that's equal to 3x minus 4. Now we're going to go ahead and move our variables to one side. Once again, we always move our smaller to our larger. That way we don't have to deal with a negative. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. These cancel out. And we have 8 is equal to x minus 4. We're now going to go ahead and move our numbers to the other side of the equation. And 8 plus 4 is 12. So our answer, x, is equal to 12. So once again, we check our answer by plugging that into both spots for x. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Here I have 36 minus 4, which is also 32. So we know that we have that correct. Okay. For this one, we're going to go ahead and start by squaring 3 squared. So we have 1.5w plus 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3. 9 equals 3 plus 2w. My smaller is 1.5w, so I'm going to subtract 1.5w from both sides. And that leaves me with 9 is equal to 3 plus 0.5w. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I have 6 is equal to 0.5w. Divide both sides by 0.5. And once we start dealing with those decimals, it's nice to just double check your answer with your calculator. So we have 6 divided by 0.5, and that, of course, is 12. So 12 is equal to w. So in this case, our answer, w, is equal to 12. Let's go ahead and look at this next one. We have a couple things going on. The first thing that we're going to do is combine like terms on the left, and then we're also going to distribute that negative. So 48 plus 19 is 67. So 67 plus 7x is equal to 7. I distribute the negative minus x minus 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and add x to both sides because that is my smaller. So I have 67 is equal to 8x. And then I can combine my like terms over here. 7 minus 4 is positive 3. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. And I have 64 is equal to 8x. I'm going to finish up by doing the opposite operation of multiplying by 8, which is dividing by 8, and x is equal to 8. Okay. Once again, I can check my answer by plugging that in, and that will make both of those statements true. Okay, we have a lot of combining like terms to happen over here. So on the left, I have a 6x minus x, which leaves me with 5x minus 21. On this side, I have 5x minus x plus x. So 5x minus x is 4x, 4x plus x is 5x. So we're back with our 5x plus 17. We're going to go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides. And we have negative 21 is equal to 17. So as always, when our variables go away, we take a look and we ask ourselves, is it a true statement? A little bit easier with the equal than the inequality, but clearly negative 21 is not 17. When it is not the same, your answer is no solution. And when it is the same, your answer would be all real numbers.